What's up guys, it's Neelam and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful corset top from a thrifted dangly, out of which I made one handbag and a bucket hat as well, which I'm going to show you in another video, so stay tuned for that. Today's video is all about corset top, so without further ado, let's start the video.
Okay, so I got this dangly which is bigger in size and of no use to me. I really liked the detailing, which will be very helpful for creating the kind of stuff I want. Here I am assuming that you know how to make simple princess cut pattern. Once you have that, we just need to make few adjustments. I'm just showing you the details on the rough pattern so that you can get an idea. So first, define the neckline you want. I want square, so I am creating that. As per the image, I need 6 front bodice parts and 4 back. So creating one line from neckline corner to the middle of this part. You can cut this line and use it as is, but I want to shift down the second line, so I'm doing that. Once done, cut this line and join it with the center part. For that, take another paper or pattern and make the outline and adjust the shape. So if you want more fitted look from the waist and the neckline, chop off bit of piece in darts as I'm doing. At the waist, make the desired shape. Back is simple. Take the princess cut back bodice, make a straight line or little curvish line and cut it. This is one side of the front and I will be cutting each pattern piece twice to complete the other side of the pattern. Same goes with the back as well. I have opened up the danglies inner seam and some other detailings to use wherever I can. I made a corset top, one bucket hat and a handbag out of this piece. So laying all my patterns together, each and every pattern will be 2 in quantity. Here is the front and the back bodice. I stitched all the back pieces together. If you need, you can pin each piece together before you start stitching, just in case of any confusion. Likewise, I joined all the front bodice pieces together. Now attaching front and back from right side, as on left I will put the zipper. Ironing all the seams like this will be very helpful if you put boning in the case, as it will help to make flatter look on the seams. Make sure to cut the seams if required. Preparing the case for the boning. I have used this cotton ribbon tape for this purpose. It will help to make this piece look beautiful from inside as well. There are many varieties of boning available in the market. Here in India, you will get the coil type or as sticks as well. I'm using this one. Before adding bones to my front bodice, I want to check the fitting because once the boning part is done, there will be a lot of hassle. So in order to do that, I'm attaching the zipper first. I always iron the zipper before attaching it because it helps me to stitch as close to the zip teeth as possible. I checked the fittings and it requires some adjustments, so I'm doing that right now. If you haven't noticed yet, I forgot to keep strap for the back bodice, so I'm attaching a strap of 10 inches which I will adjust later on. Now using the same cotton tape, I'm finishing all the outlines. Then I will fold it inside and give a stitch on the edges. At the end, I will give finishing to this piece with a hand stitch. Joining the back strap after checking the fit. So here it is. Now only finishing touches left. I have hand stitched all the outlines to make this piece beautiful inside out. And here is a look. I really liked its shaded pattern. What do you think?
Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe करना तो बिल्कुल मत भूलना. You can follow me on Instagram account as well. Till then, stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.